Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, today's deal will be actually on the EURNZD. And actually what we're having right here is really good and promising so far. Let me just start by going to the weekly chart. And of course guys, the reason I'm doing this on a video instead of a pictures on TradingView is I want everyone here to understand the way of analyzing the market. How are we analyzing these signals? And of course, if you guys remember, last week was almost 100% accuracy in my signals, except of course for the pound JPY, which was the only signal that has failed. Unfortunately, what a bummer, because that video got a lot of views, more than 2,000 views, and unfortunately it has failed, and I really felt really bad. However, let's put it on a side and let's now talk about the future and what are waiting for us with the EURNZD. So, right here based on the weekly chart, we are having here, of course, a broken level of a real resistance at 1.80740. Now, last 2 weeks, the market has made here a strong attempt of a new strong key support level. So this is right here a support number 1. Now, let's zoom in right here to see the price action. Now, if you see, guys, this candle appeared on a new support level, it's usually a good sign that you can start buying the market, because actually this kind of price action, this is the inverted hammer, it's really a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bullish reversal. So based on the weekly chart price action, it's good to be bought. Moving now to the daily chart. So the daily chart here also shows us that there was a strong rejection to break out from that level of a support at 1.81522. So the market has made here 3 attempts to break out from that level of a previous resistance and created here number 1, number 2, and number 3 of supports. So most likely now the EURNZD is actually going to continue the rise again based on the daily chart. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Now here's the game. Now what we want to do right here on the 4-hour time frame is to separate the real level of supports and the fake attempts of support and resistance, or actually the fake attempts of a breakout. So therefore, if we look closer right here, so here is the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle, which means if there is any reversal can happen, most likely it will happen exactly on the same level of the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle. Now we need to confirm if this level was really strong, so let's just highlight it right here. And let's now scroll to the left and see how did the market react to that level. I think my keyboard stuck, guys. I need to fix it. Oh boy, 1 second. So let's now scroll to the left and find how did the market react to that level. Check this out. Right here we're having a strong level of a key support as well. And right here also we had a support. And of course this one. And also it was a resistance in the past, a real level of the resistance. Now by scrolling to the left again, we need to confirm in the history of the chart, how did the market react to that level of the support. So what I'm doing right now is simply scrolling to the left and keep scrolling till I find a previous level of a support on the same level of the price. Still can't find anything at all. I think that's enough. Let's just go back to the current time, and I believe, guys, we can start most likely by the EURNZD exactly from 1.81565. Now let's confirm this with the supported trend lines. So what I will do right now is draw a supported trend line from this lower low, to this higher low, all the way to that entire support trend line. Check this out. Actually, to be precise, it's just like that. Let me just make sure it's accurate. Yes, fantastic. Now we can see clearly that the market has also been able to respect the same level as a real level of a supported trend line, a fake breakout, real level of supported trend line, and finally supported trend line and the fake breakout. So therefore, if the EURNZD is going to make any movement, it will also be respecting that level of the supported trend line. Finally, let's just use the Fibonacci retracement based on the 30-minute time frame right now. Fibonacci retracement, as we can see, that's gonna be actually, guys, on almost Fibonacci 50. So right here we can see that the market has actually broke out from 61.8, which indicates that the EURNZD is indeed going to continue the rise. So therefore, and based on the 30-minute time frame, let's buy the EURNZD exactly from this level of a support at Fibonacci 50 at 1.81593, waiting for the market to fall to another 22 pips. and the take profit level, let's just go back to the 4-hour time frame, has got to be right here, of course, at the nearest resistance, actually right here, exactly right here. This was the nearest level of a real resistance to the entry, which means our take profit level can actually be approximately 95 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the stop loss will be right here, of course, below the level of a real support at 1.81085 for almost 50 pips. Let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your deal, my friends, for tomorrow, Monday. And again, guys, don't forget to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates or notifications about this signal. Because again, if I notice any update about it, or actually any price action against our direction, I will inform everyone on this free group of Telegram. For example, here I informed everyone to close the gold deal from Friday in 75 pips. Those who have joined this group were able to close it in good profit. Those who did not join the group, unfortunately, they are facing now losses because they chose to trade by themselves instead of trading with Xtreme Trader team. So to be part of the team, I highly recommend you guys to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates. Guys, this group is free. You don't have to pay a penny to join it. Anyway, guys, hopefully it will be a good deal and hopefully everyone is gonna make good profit with it. And in the end, remember, just because this signal coming from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable. It might lose, it might fail, and for that we have to always be prepared. Until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.